Okay, the holidays are well and truly over, and it's now time to get down to some serious teaching organisation. But there's something missing. What do I need? I have an idea. Maybe what you need is the new Kids English Theatre Teaching Calendar 2024. It's a gift from me to you. And inside the calendar, there are a ton of colourful illustrations that you can use to decorate your classroom. There are some teaching quotes to add a daily dose of humour and brighten your day. And you can keep track of all of your projects, your dates, your parent-teacher meetings. And the best part is you can cross off the dates, count down to the next school holidays. What could we wish for more? So for the link to download your teaching calendar, look for the link, and remember to follow for some more tips and tricks of teaching English through drama in 2024. Be theatrical.